Sunshines, I am back with the clothing try-on haul featuring AMI Clubwear, and I'm super excited to do this video because I've seen videos on their clothes and I'm just like, yo, I need to get some clothes from there. And yeah, I'm gonna leave all the links down below to their website and all the clothes that were featured in this video, and definitely go check that out after. So I would give this dress like an 8, only because the dress is a size small, so it's kind of my fault because I chose a size small in this dress. But the only thing about this dress is that it rises up, so if you're gonna get this dress, I would probably say wear some stockings with it or wear some thigh-high boots. But stockings will definitely help, especially if you are like me who got a size small. So yeah, stockings would work, but other than that, this dress is so cute. It's really comfortable, and also make sure that you moisturize your skin before you wear this dress, otherwise it's gonna be, I guess, itching it a little bit.
I also have big feet. I'm usually a size 8 or 9 in women, and these boots are a size 9. I love these boots because of the bedazzle that's on the heels, and also I can dress these boots up or down, wearing them however I want. The only problem that I have with these shoes is that I can't walk in them for too long, otherwise my ankles are gonna start wobbling.
So next I have this really pink fuzzy jacket, and this is how it looks. So this is in a size medium, and the reason why I got this jacket is because I went to this store, and I don't know if anyone lives in New York, but I went to a store in Soho, and basically they had this really cute pink jacket, and I was like, I need to get it, but it was like $70, so I was just like, that's a dub. So that's the reason why I got this jacket, because I thought it would be really cute. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Okay. So this is how the jacket looks up close.
This jacket has about 5 clamps, but I personally like wearing this jacket open.
So I love the color of this jacket. Honestly, there's so many times where I was trying to get this jacket, but it was sold out, and I was just like, damn, I really need to get this.
Disclaimer, when I wore it the right way, it did not cover my butt, so I turned it into a shirt.
I love that the shirt is not really short on me, and especially it's pretty lengthy. If I want to, I could just wear this shirt really high up like this, or I could just bring it down just so it can cover my butt. And this is definitely a great shirt to wear during the this is definitely a great shirt to wear during those snowy days, really cold, chilly days, because it's really warm and it's soft and it's fuzzy. And I'm usually not a really fuzzy person when it comes to like the fabric, because it kind of, I don't know, you ever like wore something and you just did not like the fabric because it just felt weird, or you just don't like fabrics like that? Yeah, I'm kind of picky when it comes to fabric, but this is not too fuzzy for me. I expected the material to be a little bit different, but I think that this is still cute, and I feel like I look like somebody's teddy bear with this sweater on. I literally feel like a teddy bear. But I think that this is really cute. And I would just say, just be careful or when you get fuzzy stuff from AMI, and also, you know, be mindful that the material might not feel the way that it looks when you actually see like the picture and it being on the model. But honestly, this is really good. This is really soft, and it looks so weird when I open up the package versus when I actually put it on me. And I had to see it on my cousin to see if I liked it or not, and it actually looked pretty good on her than it did on me. So I'm just like, okay, maybe it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
This dress is in a size small, and this is actually my favorite item out of all of the outfits because it's lime green, which I've never worn such a bright color before in my life. And also I paired this dress up with like a bralette just so it can cover the bra that I was wearing under the dress, because the only thing is that this dress is see-through. But other than that, it's really nice. You just got to wear the right garments under. And when I say see-through, I mean like you can see if someone's wearing like a bra or underwear. This fabric's actually like pretty thick, so it's not too see-through. But overall, I'm giving this dress a 10 because it's just so bomb.
So the final outfit that I got is this blue jacket, and I'm also obsessed with this jacket. So this jacket doesn't have any buttons, but it has these little straps right here. And I think that this is so cute because I feel like I could just wear this business-like with a nice long sleeve turtleneck shirt, and also with like some thigh boots or even just some stockings and whatnot. I don't know, I just think this jacket is so cute. I love the color of it, and I feel like a grown woman just wearing this dress. I mean, just wearing this jacket. I think this is some grown woman professional type jacket, but also fashionable, which I really love. And my favorite color is blue, so you guys should already know, like, I'm freaking in love with this jacket. But I think it's also because of the color too. Out of all the outfits, I love this jacket, I love this green dress, and I also love the boots. The boots are my fave. And I kind of like the black dress, I just wish it was longer. But overall, I love almost like every single item that was here. It's just, you know, there's always gonna be something with like fabric issues and stuff like that, but other than that, I love it. Oh, and also size, that's like one of the toughest things when it comes to ordering online. But these are my favorite outfits. And the shoes I love. The only thing is that with the shoes, I can't wear them for too long, or like I can't wear them like back to back because my feet are gonna start hurting. Like, I wore those shoes when I was supposed to go take a test, and after that I had a casting, so I'm like, I'm gonna wear those shoes because they're so cute. I was walking to class and my ankles was just shaking, so I could not finish walking to class. I had to keep like taking pauses in between, but you know, that was my fault. I was really trying to look cute. So yeah, just a disclaimer. I had to change the light in here, but just thumbs up if you guys like any one of these outfits and which one was your fave, and if you guys have ever got anything from AMI Clubwear. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, thank you AMI Clubwear for the clothes. I appreciate it so much, and I'm gonna keep wearing these, and I'm gonna take mad pictures because I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. These are just so cute. Oh my god. So yeah, see you guys next time.
Yeah.